Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. This is Sharon. How are you doing? Finally, the springtime is here. The weather is getting warmer, which means more outdoor time and more parties, more fun. And also, the spring break is coming too, right? So I created this nail set sample. I think it's perfect for this season. And I'm gonna show you how to do it on your own nails step by step. So let's get started. So here are basically everything that we're gonna need for this nail set. The top base coat, the white color, and the comic color are from our all-in-one nail kit. And this 3-in-1 nail glue are from our nail tips set. And this GNC color is from our cream color set. To be honest, actually this pastel color set is perfect for the springtime. And I got these blings from AliExpress. And these glitter butterflies are from our nail art kits too. I'm gonna put all of the shopping link in the description below. Now let's get started doing our nails. The first step is always nail prepping. But recently I figured that my skin getting very dry. So I'd like to moisturize my skin before I start pushing back my cuticles. Because you know, sometimes when your skin is too dry and you push back your cuticles, it will cause bleeding. I don't want that happen to me. After pushing back my cuticles, I'm going to use this needle shape drill bits to lift up the skin from my nail bed around the cuticle area. Set your drill speed to rather low because you don't want to hurt yourself. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use this flame bit to kind of like create a lip of the dead cuticle. And later it will be very easy to cut it off with the nail nipper. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my fine sand band to file off any shine on my nail bed. You want to pay attention on the part close to your cuticle area because that's where it starts lifting. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands with soap. Now this step is important because I'm gonna use my bond and primer to remove any oil on my nail bed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit nail tips glue on my nail tip. and I'm gonna starting on my middle finger. Normally, I would suggest that you start it on your pinky, but if you watch my last video, you would know that my pinky, my pinky is not straight, so I have to set a standard line. And my middle finger, to be honest, is not very straight too, but it's already the best that I can use. So I'm gonna just start on my middle finger first. Let's see. Well, I think it looks alright. Yeah. Now all of the nail tips are done. I'm gonna use my big lamp to cure for 1 minute to make sure it's stable. Apply a thin layer of base coat. Try to avoid not to flood to your cuticle area. Normally, I like to give it a flash cure and then continue working on the rest of the nails. Once all of the nails are done, give it a fully cure for 1 minute on both sides of the nails. I'm gonna go ahead and use a 91% alcohol as a sleep solution and apply some comic color polygel on my pinky. Gently pat it in place with my polygel brush. For this layer, I'm just gonna do for the tip part first. And now I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna apply the second layer. Squeeze enough polygel close to the cuticle part. Now gently pat it in place. This part is kind of time consuming. Of course, you can get it faster and faster with more practice. But if you're a beginner, you just want to take your time. I'm gonna do the same on my ring finger. On my middle finger, I'm gonna create a glitter and green ombre. But I figured the glitter polygel is getting really sticky, so I'm gonna use the base coat as the sleep solution. Normally this happens with the glitter polygels. Generally, glitter polygel is more stickier than the normal polygel. And if you have a sticky polygel, it's hard to work with, try to use the base coat to replace the sleep solution. It's really working so well. You see, it's not sticky to my brush at all. If you feel like it is starting sticky again, just dip into another base coat and gently pat or brush the polygel in place. give it a flash cure for like 30 seconds and then apply some green color polygel close to the cuticle area to create the ombre. Okay, on my index finger, I'm gonna use a clear polygel. This time it's easy, just squeeze enough polygel to cover the whole nail bed. Okay, I think I'm good with it right now. It's time to get out my butterflies. I really like these colorful butterflies. This time I'm gonna use this teal color butterflies. Maybe add some white ones, cause I change my mind all the time. We'll see how it goes. Okay, and on my thumb, I want to create a triangle French tip. So basically starting with the nail bed part first, squeeze enough polygel close to the cuticle area. And I'm gonna use my brush tip to create a triangle shape. Cure under my LED lamp for 1 minute, and then go ahead, use the hand file to shape the edge of it. Then clean the dust with alcohol, and now I'm going to add the glitter polygel close to the tip end. Again, take your time to make it as smooth as possible, and then use my big lamp to give it a fully cure on both sides of my hand. Okay, now it's time to encapsulate my butterflies. Before, I always use polygel, clear polygel to encapsulate it, but I think generally polygel is not as clear as a builder gel or acrylic. So I'm gonna use a builder gel today to encapsulate my butterflies, so we can see the glitter, the shining part clearly. Okay, I need to add more gel to create the apex. And I'm gonna encapsulate my middle finger and the thumb too. For the pinky and the ring finger, I think they're good. The thing that I don't really like about builder gel is after curing, it's gonna left a very thick layer of thickness. So before you file it, you want to clean it with alcohol, otherwise it's gonna ruin all of your hand file. Alright, the filing part is done. Okay, before apply the top coat, clean it with link-free wipes with rubbing alcohol. You know what? Lucky me. Actually, I ordered these little flowers from Amazon. I'm not sure if it's gonna arrive in time, so I just decided if I cannot receive them while I shoot this video, I'm gonna use the handmade 3D flowers. But I just received it, so it's gonna save me some time. I'm using my dotting tool to add some nail glue on my nail tip. I'm gonna add different size flowers at different spots. Okay, give it a flash cure for like 10 seconds. I'm gonna use my dotting tool to make sure it's already stick onto the nail tip. And on my ring finger, I'm gonna add some green color rhinestone and pearls. The good thing for this little flower set is that it comes with various size of little pearls. Now I'm adding some nail glue to the center of the flowers. At the end, add some cuticle oil and give it a gentle massage. This cute flower nail set is done. What do you think about it? I think this is one of my favorite sets that have been created in a while. It's perfect for this early spring season. Let's get out and see how it looks in the natural light. Wow, it's really cute. I really love them. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please put your comments in below. All of the shopping links are in the description box. Y'all have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye!